Hi, I'm George, and I don't know about you guys, but I've been hearing a lot the last couple of weeks about these school, from the top everyone, and I won't do the hi, I'm George, that was ridiculous. What have we got here? Hi. So I don't know about you guys, but I've been hearing a lot in the last couple of weeks about these school food boxes that have been turning up. So I've got one here today and we're going to see what's in it. This one's from Kingswood Catering and I've been hearing good things. So what have we got? Because if it was up to me, I'd eat sandwiches every day and I know you can't do that. So looks like we've got a nice recipe book there. All the bread, that's good. That's the sandwiches sorted. We've got, looks like a box of eggs. There we go. Milk, don't mind if I do. Cucumbers, cheese, excellent. Spring onions, always need those. Some sliced cooked premium ham, carrots and potatoes, tomatoes, baked beans, my favourite, pasta, box of tomatoes as well. Then we've got apples, yogurt, tuna, mayo, custard creams, pears. It's all here and it's all in the box. So there it is. But I don't know what to do with it, so I'm going to need some help with this.
Well, George, the purpose of these boxes is to make 10 lunches for one child, but in the Kingswood boxes, we've made 22 dishes and then some. In our Kingswood boxes, we have our very own recipe book, and in our recipe book with all our ingredients, we can show you how to make these delicious dishes. George?
That all sounds great, Libby. Right, let's see what we've got then. So we've got all these pasta dishes. What are we going to make with this then, eh, Libby?
Ham and tomato pasta. Veggie pasta salad. Ham pasta bake. Tuna pasta salad. And tomato pasta.
Ooh, cheesy ham pasta. Don't mind if I do. Right, next up the bread. I'm thinking some kind of sandwiches here.
The classic beans on toast. Eggy bread. Cheese sandwich. Eggy bread cheese sandwich. Ham sandwich. Cheese on toast. Egg mayonnaise sandwich.
Eggy bread, nice. Never tried that before. Next up, it's spuds.
You can make stuffed jacket potato. Jacket potato and beans. My favourite, wedges. And finally, tuna cheese jacket.
Whoa, those potato wedges look good, didn't they? Last up, it's the eggs. Looking forward to seeing what you're making out of these, Libby. Now, don't try this one at home, kids.
Scrambled eggs on toast. Omelette with various fillings. Beans and poached egg on toast. Stuffed eggs. And this beastie frittata.
There we go. Wow, Libby, I'm sold. I can't believe we managed to make all of these 22 dishes from the ingredients of one box without any extras. And we haven't even started with all these extra goodies over here. The fruit, the yogurts, the biscuits, all of that goodies as well. So why don't you go out there and have some fun, put some meals together and show us what you've been cooking. Send us your pictures and use the hashtag KingswoodBox for a chance to win a special prize. Thanks. Thank you. Yeah?